Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X6 M Competition and the Lamborghini Urus, two formidable performance SUVs. We'll dive into their power, luxury, and overall driving experience to help you decide which one best suits your desires. Get ready for a head-to-head battle of automotive excellence, exploring what makes each of these machines stand out in the ultra-luxury segment. When it comes to raw power, both SUVs are incredibly potent. The BMW X6 M Competition boasts a twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 617 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 3.7 seconds. The Lamborghini Urus, however, edges it out with up to 657 horsepower from its twin-turbo V8, achieving 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3 seconds. Both offer exhilarating acceleration, but the Urus holds a slight advantage in sheer speed. Inside, both vehicles offer opulent and technologically advanced environments. The BMW X6 M Competition features a driver-centric cockpit with a large curved display and high-quality materials. The Lamborghini Urus counters with a fighter jet-inspired cabin, rich with premium leather, Alcantara, and a dual touchscreen setup. While both provide ample passenger comfort, the X6M offers slightly more cargo space behind the rear seats, at 27.4 cubic feet compared to the Urus's 21.75 cubic feet. When considering value, the BMW X6M Competition starts at about $134,600, offering incredible performance and luxury for its price. The Lamborghini Urus, however, commands a much higher starting price, around $269,885, reflecting its exotic brand appeal and slightly more extreme performance. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your priorities: the Urus for ultimate exclusivity and raw speed, or the X6M for a more balanced blend of performance, luxury, and relative value. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.